Hello. Today I'm going to tell you about artist Paul Klee. He's a big artist in the world of art. He was born in December 18th in 1879 and died on June 29th in 1940. He was a Swiss-German artist. Paul Klee was one of the most famous painters of the 20th century. He was known as an Expressionist, but he was also highly influenced by Cubism and Surrealism. As you can see, this painting he did called Head of a Man looks like a little bit of Picasso's artwork, like Cubism. Both of Paul Klee's parents were musicians. When he was very young, he trained to be a violinist. Then he decided to become an artist. He studied art under Heinrich Neuer. In 1899, he was admitted to the Academy of Fine Arts in Munich, Germany. After leaving the academy, he also studied art in Italy. This painting is called Castle and the Sun. After he lived in Italy, he returned to Bern, Switzerland, and lived with his parents for several years. Then he met and got married to a pianist, Lily Stumpf, in 1906. Besides his painting, Klee taught art at the Bauhaus from 1920 to 1931, and later at Dusseldorf Academy. When the Nazis came to power in Germany, life became very hard for modern artists. Klee moved back to Switzerland in 1933, and he died in Switzerland in 1940. For many years, he had suffered from a disease called scleroderma, an autoimmune disease. Klee made over 10,000 paintings, drawings, and etchings in his lifetime. His works are held in museums all over. This painting is one of my favorites of Paul Klee's. It's called The Park at Bay Lucerne. Lucerne is a city in Switzerland. And I always think those black lines are the paths, or maybe you go around the black lines. So it looks like some kind of a garden to me. The photograph on the right is Paul Klee with his tools, paintbrushes. Let's look at this painting called Fish Magic. If you look at it, yes, we can see the fish. But aren't there other things in the painting too? Why do you think the artist put those things in the painting along with the fish? Does it mean something? The artist used line, shape, and color to make this painting called The Lamb. Do you like it? Why? What do you like about it? This painting's called The Twittering Machine. When someone's twittering, what are they doing? So on the right, there's a little close-up of it. This is an oil and ink on canvas, and it's titled Cat and Bird, painted in 1928. It's an animal painting in the Expressionism style. The cat appears to be all head, huge, and the bird on the cat's forehead is symbolic of what the cat is thinking. Flying in the cat's mind, the bird is a secret made visible to others. The cat's red nose is tipped with a heart, symbolizing his heart's desire. Now we are going to draw a cat and bird in Paul Klee's style. Here are the steps to make your cat and bird. After you draw it, you can use crayons, markers, watercolors, or a combination, oil pastels, whatever you would like to create your cat and bird in the style of Expressionist Paul Klee. I hope you enjoyed getting to know him. The artwork from this slideshow was found on Google Image Search. Here's my email if you would like to keep in touch with me. I miss my students so much, so I would love to hear from you. And I hope you enjoy making the art from the YouTube videos that I've been making and putting on my YouTube channel. I miss y'all so much, and I hope you stay safe and have a good Thanksgiving with your families. Bye.